Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on NIO on May the 20th of this year, when the price of this asset was at $5.32 on pre-market hours. And my main assumption was at this point that we have to complete the B wave, we have to hit a little bit higher target, and then we have to complete another leg to the downside that might land somewhere lower. And here is the actual price action of this price chart. We have this as our top of the B wave. We have potentially this or this one as the bottom of our A wave. It doesn't matter at this very moment. And we have this movement to the downside, and we are approaching to the level that was set by me on my previous video. And guys, this is another evidence how powerful technical analysis is, and if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers, I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, for now, there is not so many people inside the Discord community. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you. And it is pretty much a one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So let's continue with the price chart again. And guys, by the way, if you want to see my previous videos, if you want to see my forecasts, take a look right here. In the description below on each and every video, you can find the link, NIO Stock previous video. And you can watch this video by yourself and make the conclusion whether my forecast was successful or not. And I have to say that I have a win rate of more than 70%. That is why definitely no one can achieve the 100% probability, but you can be consistently profitable with less than 50% successful predictions. So let's continue with the fundamental news. What is the main catalyst for now for NIO? Let me show you that definitely it is the deliveries of the companies. Take a look right here. We have the China EV insurance registrations for week ending May 19th, and NIO registered 4.4 thousand vehicles. I have to say that they have a flat data, and by the way, within the next several hours we will see a new data for the last week, and definitely it is a decent result because it pretty much holds the line above a lot of weeks during this year. And definitely, if the trend continues, we might see higher delivery numbers and much higher price for NIO stock. On top of that, guys, the major update, the major catalyst for this company is their earnings report that will be published on June the 6th. And I have to say that they have decent guidance. NIO initially guided first quarter vehicle deliveries to be in the range of 31,000 to 33,000 vehicles when it announced its fourth quarter 2023 results on March the 5th. It then guided first quarter revenue to be between 10.499 billion yuan and 11.087 billion yuan. It is roughly $1.5 billion. And guys, the most important part is their gross margin. You know that just a couple of quarters ago they had just 1% of their gross margin, and for now it posted a gross margin of 7.5% and a vehicle margin of 11.9% in the fourth quarter. This means if they beat these numbers, it will be one of the major catalysts for the upcoming quarter for the price of NIO. On top of that, guys, take a look right here. On my previous video, I showed you that JP Morgan Chase upgraded their rating, and they changed it from underweight to neutral, and they upgraded the price target from $4.8 to $5.4. And here are two main reasons why it happened. We are on Morningstar.com website, and this article was published on May 16th, and it says, JP Morgan analyst Nick Lay upgrades the EV market stock, and he said there are two main reasons for this change in stance. The Chinese government's policy to stimulate auto demand, including neighborhood electric vehicles, which should benefit NIO. NIO's new battery-as-a-service strategy, in which monthly rental fees were lowered by about 25%, has successfully boosted store traffic, and the BAS take rate to about 60 to 70% from 20 to 30%. And this is another improvement from the fundamental standpoint of NIO. On top of that, guys, we have a lot of major investors who added to their long position. You can see that CEO of NIO, William Lee, holds strong his 178.96 million shares, and BlackRock added about 9.847 million shares to the quite impressive 62.63 million shares position. Morgan Stanley has a 28.21 million shares, and they added about 10.11 million shares during Q1. And guys, in general, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. In general, I have to say that this asset is at extremely lucrative position. If we zoom out to a daily time frame, turn off all the drawing tools, we can see that this asset had a very good bounce out of its lowest point for the last several years at about $3.6. And we have this quite interesting price action to the upside, and we have this retracement. Let's switch again to hourly time frame, and let's turn on all the tools. You can see that right here I marked this range of about $4.5 as the range of potential trend reversal, and I still stand on my position that we might land right here, because if my assumption is correct and we completed 5-way structure to this point, we have to have 3 or 5 waves in our A wave, and we have 3 waves. We have to have strictly 3 waves in our B wave, and we have it 1, 2, 3. And we have to have strictly 5 waves in our C wave, and we have 1, 2, 3, potential this is the 4th wave, and we have to have one more leg to the downside to complete the C wave. And this might be a very interesting point where we might have a trend reversal, because if the asset hits golden pocket range, it is the range in between 0.65 and 0.618 fib retracement levels, it has a more than 75% probability to have a trend reversal. And this is the crucial point, in my opinion. We might hover for quite some time around in between, let's put it this way, in between 0.5 at $4.9 and $4.5, and then when the earnings report is published, we might see a spike in its price if the company beats the expectations. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.